Okay, students. Today our topic is coordination compounds. Coordination compounds. Before going to enter into the topic, what objectives we need to discuss in this chapter? First one is introduction, and second one is important terms in coordination compounds, IUPAC nomenclature of coordination compounds, isomerism in coordination compounds, bonding in coordination compounds, that are Werner's theory, valence bond theory, crystal field theory, and next topic is magnetic and color properties of coordination compounds, next metal carbonyls, and importance of coordination compounds. First we need to discuss about introduction. See here, what are the simple salts? Simple salts means when acid and base combine together to give salt. Acid and base combine together to give salt. These salts may be stable or unstable. These salts are may be stable or unstable. Some examples of salts. Examples of salts we will see now: sodium chloride and potassium chloride, lithium chloride, magnesium chloride, beryllium chloride, calcium chloride, iron ferrous chloride, ferric chloride, ferrous sulfate, ferric sulfate, ferrous cyanide, ferric cyanide, magnesium sulfate, ammonium sulfate, aluminum sulfate, potassium sulfate, sodium sulfate. These all are examples for salts. These all are examples for salts. See here, these simple salts, when combined together, the simple stable salts, when combined together, gives addition compounds. Addition compounds. These addition compounds are two types: double salts, coordination compounds. These coordination compounds also called complex compounds or complex salts or complex compounds also correct. See, double salts means double salts means they are unstable compounds. Double salts are unstable compounds. And double salts, when soluble in suitable solution, when dissolved in suitable solution, they lose their identity. They lose their identity. And convert into simple ions. They lose their identity and convert into simple ions. See, examples we will see now. Carnallite is example of double salt. Carnallite, potash alum, more salt, etc. See, Carnallite formula is potassium chloride salt, magnesium chloride salt, and 6 water molecules. And potash alum formula is potassium sulfate, aluminum sulfate, and 24 molecules of water. Next, more salt formula is ferrous sulfate, ammonium sulfate, and 6 molecules of water. So what I told you, these double salts are unstable compounds and they lose their identity when if we dissolve in suitable solvent. Okay, some example we'll see now. For suppose Carnallite KCl, see first of all KCl plus MgCl2 simple salts when combined together then gives Carnallite. KCl, MgCl2, 6 molecules of water. When we dissolve in suitable solution, then they lose their identity and gives simple salts and gives simple ions. So that simple ions are K plus and magnesium plus and 3Cl minus. See, after dissolution they give positive test for potassium, positive test for magnesium, positive test for chloride ions. Like this potash alum also gives 2 moles of K plus potassium ions, 2 moles of aluminum 3 plus ions, and 4 moles of sulfate ions. On dissolution they give positive test for potassium, aluminum and sulfate. So this is the discussion about double salts. Now discussion about coordination compounds. These are stable compounds. Coordination compounds are stable compounds and they are crystalline compounds, and also they exist in solid and also aqueous state. Solid state and aqueous state they exist. If you dissolve in suitable solution, they won't lose their identity. They won't lose their identity. Under solubility, they split into 2 species only. Under solubility, they split into two species. What are the 2 species? We'll see now. Number 1 is simple ion. Number 2 is complex ion. See, when coordination compounds after solubility, they splits into 2 species. The 2 species are, one is simple ion and one is complex ion. See here, simple ions may be positive ions or may be negative ions. Complex ions also may be positive ions or may be negative ions. Some examples of coordination compounds are K2. Examples of coordination compounds are K2, PT, Cl4, tetrachloroplatinum, potassium tetrachloroplatinate. Here simple ions are 2K plus ions, and complex ions are PtCl4 2 minus ion. It is simple and it is complex. This complex, they won't split into further under solubility. It is complex ion, it is simple ion. Some examples we'll see now. Potassium hexacyanoferrate. Potassium hexacyanoferrate. It is simple salt. It is simple ion. It is complex ion. Now one more example. K3FeCN taken 6 times. Potassium hexacyanoferrate. Oxidation state is 3 here. Oxidation state is 2 here. Here 3. Now one more example for coordination compound is CONH3 taken 6 times Cl3 hexamino cobalt chloride. Hexamino cobalt chloride. See, these under solubility they give 4 moles of K plus and 1 mole of FeCN6 taken FeCN6 4 minus, and it gives 2 ions, 3 molecules of K plus ions and 1 molecule of FeCN6 complex ion 3 minus. Now it also gives 2 types of ions. One is simple, that are 3 Cl minus ions, and 1 complex ion CONH3 taken 6 times 3 plus. So here simple ion is negative and here complex ion is positive. But above case, simple ion is positive, complex ion is negative. That's why I told you simple ion may be positive or may be negative. Complex ion may be positive or may be negative. There is no condition. Now next one is, it is introductory part to get coordination compounds from simple salts. Now next, important terms. Now look here, important terms.